how to apply for your first job. This video series is not for everyone. Social media isn't just for memes. They have the requirement, they will hire you immediately. Don't stress about missing one or two skills. It's fine. Apply anyway if you are a good fit. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to Your Next Move. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to apply for your first job. This sounds very simple, right? But I know it can feel like climbing a mountain. But by this end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about applying for your first job. And first of all, I need to tell you one thing, that is, this video series is not for everyone. Yes. This is just for the teenagers or the people who are in their 20s who wanted to get into this industry. Okay, so I want to make video around every simple little things. That's why I'm making a video on this very simple little thing, applying for your first job. So in this video, you'll get to know about three main things. Number one, where to find your first job. Number two, understanding the job ads. Number three, do's and don'ts of applying. Let's get into the video, but I have got one more thing for you. As I informed in my last video, I'm offering one-to-one CV consultation. So if you are interested, join through the link in the description. So registrations are closing soon by this end of this week. So if you are interested, join now itself. Now, where you can find good jobs for you, where you can find your first job. I'm going to give you three main options here. Okay, number one, job portals and websites. Now let's take an example. If you want to apply for web development internship, or else if you are applying for web developer position, where you can find the jobs. Simple. You can start off from here. You will have some preferred company, right? So your favorite companies. It can be Search Global, it can be HCL, it can be anything. Like you can have any kind of a preference. I just mention some few famous companies in Sri Lanka. Okay, so go to the company websites and go to the career page and check out the jobs listed. If they have the openings for a web development internship or else web developer position, just apply. You can do one more thing, that is find out their HR emails or else career emails and drop your CV with a email as saying, I can contribute to your company in this way. I'm interested to join for this position. So if you have opening now or else if you have opening in the future, I'm interested to join. So mention this and put a mail to them. Definitely, I'm sure their career handles and the HR mails, they'll keep checking every single day. So there is a chance you can get placed through that mail. And one more way, applying through job portals. Yes, in Sri Lanka, there are a lot of job portals. Starting from Rooster, which is having most of the tech openings, the tech company openings. Starting from web development, graphics, marketing, you can find out all the internships and also the main openings there in the Rooster. And there are more options like Top Jobs, LinkedIn. Top Jobs having like most of the common jobs. And finally, LinkedIn, which is a crazy platform to apply to jobs. Yes, so if you are mastered in LinkedIn, you can get your job very easily, very quickly, because LinkedIn is very optimized for jobs and job seekers and also for the employers. Yes, so it's a social media network. So if you are not still in LinkedIn, go and create your profile, and I'll give my profile in the description. Go check it out, and you can connect there with me and have a chat with me about your profile or else your next step. It's fine. And in LinkedIn, you can go to the job section and find whichever the job you want in the location you like. Okay, so go for it and apply for the job. And don't just apply and wait. You can do one more thing, that is, in LinkedIn there is an area in every job, there is an area which has who created the job. Okay, so you can see the main profile which is created that job. So go to the profile and put a message to that recruiter as saying you are interested, you applied for this, and this is your portfolio. So that's going to help you to get noticed fastly. Simple. Number 2, social media and networking. Yes, social media isn't just for memes. Okay, so companies and also recruiters are more often active in social media, so they'll be sharing all the job posts and everything. So keep following the companies and also the recruiters, which whoever you know in the social media, so you can find out a good job there. And one more thing, networking in the sense, not just online networking. You can find out networking sessions everywhere around Colombo. So if you are in Sri Lanka, Colombo is the best place to network. So you can go to the networking events and find out the right people, and even the startups, like startup founders and all. You can just have a chat with them, and if the skills match with them, and if they have the requirement, they will hire you immediately. And finally, number 3, word of mouth. Yes, this may sound like crazy, but yeah, of course, more than the top number 2 job portals and the social media and all, word of mouth is like a very, very important thing, and I think which can be very effective also. So simple. Still, you are going to have your family and friends. So if you are finding job, first inform them, your family and the friends, and next inform your network in the social media. Inform your if you have a previous clients, or else if you have a previous any kind of a relationship network. So just inform them as you are looking for jobs. Definitely their word of mouth is going to help you, so they can have the dream job that you wanted to join. Now finding the job is done, but some people struggle at understanding the job ads. Now let's see the things you need to know when it comes to the job ads. Number 1, job title and the requirements. Yes. So anyways, you are just a beginner, right? So first thing you need to check is the job title. So if you are applying for a web developer position, never apply for senior web developer or else senior level of manager level of positions if you are just starting out. Okay, because anyways they are not going to hire you for the senior level or else the manager level position immediately. You need an industrial experience. So don't just give a bad impression, like annoying feeling to the recruiter. That's going to like create a bad frame about you to the recruiter. So just, if you want to join the company, if the opening is not there, as I said before, just go to the company profile or its company website and find out their email, put a mail, simple. So if they have the requirement, they will hire you. If not, just leave it and go for the next company. Okay. And the requirements, in the requirements they'll be clearly mentioning. So if they are mentioning as like you need this type of a thing, this type of a thing, if you don't have that, don't apply for it. Simple as it is. Because like end of the day they are mentioning it in the text, so why you are applying if you don't have it? And one more thing, some companies have in the requirements they need bachelor's or master's, like that kind of a requirements, right? So if you don't have it, but if you are still interested to join, what you can do is just don't apply there. Go to the recruiter profile and put a message to him as, I don't have this degree qualification, but I have this skill. So at least if you offer me an internship, I'll be helpful for you. So this type of a like professional handling, just go for it. Definitely you will find out something good. And number 2, responsibilities and day-to-day tasks. Of course, before applying for any job, web developer or anything, please understand the day-to-day task that you have to do. So how to understand it? Simple. Go to the YouTube, search whichever the job you are interested, and search about the people who is already doing the job and what are they really doing. And if you can do it, if you are already capable of it, apply for it. If not, don't apply. Just improve your skills to that level and then apply for it. Simple. And number 3, required versus preferred skills. Some people have a very big confusion on this, like with the required skills and the preferred skills. Yes, required skills in the sense you should have it must. It's a must thing. If you don't have it, don't apply for it. But in the preferred section, like for example, if you're applying for web development, in the required they might have like HTML, CSS as the required, but the Angular and the Vue and also Python, this kind of thing they may have in the preferred thing. So if you don't have the preferred thing, never ever feel uncomfortable to apply for the job. Okay, it's fine, those can be learned in when you, even after you're joining the job. It's like that's what they are expecting also, so don't give up on it. Simple. Just have a clarity about the required skills and also the preferred skills. Don't stress about missing one or two skills. It's fine, apply anyway if you are a good fit. Okay, now let's see do's and don'ts of applying. But before getting into it, just remind one thing: even a small details can make a big difference and set you apart from the crowd. Things you should do. Number one, tailor your CV and the cover letter. I have already made a video about like making your CV and the things you should do and don't. I have already made a video about it, so go and check it out. Simple. And number two, follow up emails. So after applying for a job, don't just wait and wait until the recruiter comes to you. You can do follow-up emails, but don't be harsh in the mails. Be polite and ask the update about the job application. Show some personality. Simple. In your cover letter, just show how much you are enthusiastic about this job, why you are applying for this job, and also like how much you are interested to join the company, and also how much you can contribute to the company. Things you should not do when it comes to applying for your jobs. Simple. Number one, never submit a CV with typos. Typos, typing mistakes. Please recheck everything. Please spell check everything, the cover letter, CV, everything, and be sharp on that. Number two is applying for every jobs. Please don't apply for every jobs you see. Focus on the few roles genuinely you want and put the effort to it and apply for it. Definitely you will find a good match for you. And finally, overselling skills you don't have. Please never give fake promises to the recruiters as like the skills you actually don't have. You can match up with small things, but not the big things. For example, if you're applying for the web development internship, you can say as you are fluent in English, but you can be not also. But if you don't even know HTML, CSS and applying for a web development job is like which is like no point of applying for that job. Okay. Alright, we have came to this end of this video. After hearing to all of these things, and never please give up on applying for your first job. Anyways, you don't have to always be perfect. You will definitely learn by doing it. I also learned by doing it. So simple as it is. So if you like this video, just do like it. In this series, there are a lot more episodes are on the way. Some real life applications are on the way. So do follow the series as well, and I have shared all my social media links in the description. So if you want to contact me, you can check out and contact me anytime, no problem. So I'll be there to help you. Simple. So if you like the video, like and hit the subscribe button, and also comment if you have any questions. See you in another video, and until then, goodbye. I'm Tashantar.